Hi, welcome in. This is our crib. So we're staying in a studio at Parc Soleil, Hilton's Grand Resort, and I'm gonna take you on a tour of our room. So let's get started. First, we're gonna enter into the bathroom. So this is a nice sized bathroom. It has a great big mirror. It comes with lotions and a nice picture. The toilet is located behind the door, which is actually nice for extra privacy. It has a walk-in shower with a door on it, and they also provide shower gels, shampoo, conditioner, so you don't even have to bring your own stuff. They also provide towels and extra amenities. So this is the bathroom. It's nice and spacious. They also provide a little tiny mouthwash, and it looks like some lavender facial soap and some tissues, and here's your bottle of lotion by Crabtree. And now we are going to take you into the kitchen area. This is really nice. It has lots of cabinet space, paper towels, dish soap, cleaning rags. Your cabinets comes with glasses and dishes and everything that you need to make your meals. It also comes with a microwave oven, ice bucket, a toaster, a coffee pot with some coffee. It has a silverware drawer, and it also comes with a mini fridge, which we have our bottle of water in there. So this is very nice. These cabinets down here, basically for storage, here's your trash can, has some laundry detergent, some more paper towels, and of course your fire extinguisher. We're gonna move on into the bedroom space. This one is a king size bed with white comforters, fluffy pillows. It's very comfortable. It also has plenty of plugins for your phones and everything, and above our heads is a nice ceiling fan. It has a really nice closet over here, plenty of space to hang your stuff. It has a safe, a drying rack, your iron, and of course an extra blanket and your ironing board. And then over here, this is some more cabinet space. You just push on it and it pops open. So you got your cabinet space where you can store more of your belongings, which is really nice. I don't know how to open this one. Oh, there we go. That's a big one. And then it also has your television set. This is a really nice room. And then over here is, of course, you have your little couch, your table, and a chair with a nice lighting area right above it. So this is our room. I'm gonna show you guys now the best part of this whole room, and that is our view.